Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing peninam kaba arsngi ya ki sentiau bat ki dieng ki bala tipkum ki bonsai ya ka bala pelong ha All Saints Cathedral Hall Shillong ha ka arpesan bat ka arpung retarik bunai nailor arjar khat kendai kala kring ya ki babon ki pai ba riwe sentiau bat dieng bonsai jongganong ba Shillong dagi pautli ki sentiau bonsai bat ki dieng bonsai la peninam ha kani kasngi ha ka ba ki pai ba nong shang shnong ganong ba Shillong ki ba yai lenti nakmat jongga All Saints Cathedral Hall Shillong kimla satia klem da le jingo ban sakhi dalaki jongki khmat yakini ki jait sentiau bat ki dieng ki ba ka tenrai jongki kadai nari Japan bat nari China kalongru ka jingja ka ba penpang not ya ki riwe sentiau bat dieng bonsai na keleng kiri ka perthai batru ya ki nongshong shnong ka jela Meghalaya ha ka ba de ki laktali ki dieng ki la ingkhong lot na ka jingplo jong ka klau Amazon dangshen.
Idea behind this bonsai, this is a beautiful art which has come from China and Japan, and it is getting very popular all over the world. There are so many reasons for it. One is now the concern is about preservation of trees. Now big trees may not be possible for everybody. Like you must have seen the recent big fire in Amazon. Lakhs and lakhs of trees have been burnt. God forbid, I believe there are no such species which are totally lost. But in case if somebody had a small bonsai form of the species which got burnt and totally lost in nature, they can revive those trees by taking tissue culture material from that bonsai tree. So this is a big advantage that in the very smaller form you can preserve all kind of species which are existing in the world and which you feel that should be preserved. You may not have a big space to plant those trees in your compound, but then everybody can grow a small bonsai. And if you see in net also nowadays, you can see that Japan is having species more than 1,000-year-old. Now, some people they say ki how is it possible that a tree can survive for 1,000? But then let me tell you one thing. It is not only that in nature we get the longevity of the survival of a tree. Some people they still believe that the tree may survive maybe more than the required age which it has in the form of bonsai, because you are taking care, personal care, and it can survive. Now this is a big advantage. I don't know Shillong whether people are growing bonsai for that purpose, but then eventually it has to come to that you can preserve a species also. As you can see, the species requires a technical assistance from the bonsai society. So our society is giving that knowledge free of cost to anybody who wants to learn bonsai. At the hall, we even go and personally attend anybody's species. If they are having any problem, we are totally open. They can invite us. We will go to their residence and we'll see what is their problem. Like today also, some of the species have been brought from home. They are not part of the exhibition, but they just wanted their plants to be attended, how to prune them, how to look after them, why is it not looking like bonsai. So they brought to our exhibition. So that is another purpose, that under one roof they can bring their specimen and learn on their own specimen why it's not doing well. He came yesterday, the gentleman who brought 2 species, he came yesterday. He saw the exhibition and he said, my bonsais are not looking the same as the members or the participants. Then we told them, why don't you bring your, he said, I'm feeling shy. Then we said, see, if you feel shy, you will never improve. You have to bring a specimen, and it will give you that incentive to grow the specimen like the other participants and the members. So I'm very happy. Early in the morning when I opened the door for the exhibition today, the first person came was this gentleman who brought 2 of his specimens, and we gave him full confidence how to grow bonsai, how to prune, and my colleague, he has already shown him what is to be done. Now this is a big thing, because see, it is very difficult for a person without proper knowledge to grow bonsai. So he doesn't know what he's doing. Maybe he's doing something very wrong or something. Everybody thinks that growing bonsai means you have to prune roots or you have to prune the branches. It is not necessary you have to do that. Once you start growing any kind of species, like there are so many species which are growing very well in Shillong, they may not be growing very well elsewhere. That's why the army people, when they call us, we encourage them to grow those species because their job is from moving from one place to another. So they are growing those species which can withstand all kind of weather, like ficus varieties, people, banyan tree. These can grow in cold places as well as in, but azaleas, they cannot grow azaleas in hot climate. In fact, today there was yesterday and today there were quite many people. They rang me up and they asked me, are the bonsais for sale? In the past, we had transaction with some of the local people because I know there are certain species which are growing in nature and they already look like bonsai. So, like Vaccinium is one plant which is growing all around Cherrapunji. My first bonsai I started in 1976 with that species which is here, 43 years old species I brought here. That was my first species from Sora. So it's not that it is not there. They only require assistance from us how to grow them, and pot is the biggest disadvantage. So in the past I brought one truckload of pot from Bombay. As you can see, certain pots, all these pots which you can see around me, they were brought directly in the same truck from Bombay to Shillong. So it's very expensive affair and quite a lot of breakage is also there. But I just took a chance. I was 7 to 8 years back and I brought one truckload, and now they are totally exhausted and everybody is asking. I don't know whether I'll be able to bring another truck because it involves a lot of money, maybe 8 to 10 lakhs rupees. So the society doesn't have that kind of money. So until somebody sponsors or we take a decision that okay, somebody can do business with it. And there are members who are making cemented pot at home. So now it's not that because of the pot, but then when it comes to business, like you asked me the question, anybody who wants to do business, it is very simple. You can nowadays in the market you can get the species made for bonsai. You can make even khasi stones. You can make small bonsai pots. So we are trying to contact somebody who can make the bonsai pot. In fact, yesterday we had a discussion. There is somebody in Shillong who is willing to make bonsai pot with local stones. So that will be a very nice thing because even that stone fellow, he will get a business, and local people, they can start buying and growing bonsai, and then in future we can give them space to sell here also in any of the flower shows and bonsai shows they can go. Definitely I am telling you, it is a booming business if they really want to be serious with it. There are certain species, if you can just pan around, just this species, if you can see, it is growing on a rock. Now initially the roots are clinging to the rock. You must have seen in Meghalaya is full of rocks. So you can see the roots are clinging to the rocks, and there are certain roots which are going to the soil. The soil is minimum, but there are species which can grow only on the rock also, like ficus and all things like that. Very, very easy to grow on the rock. But if it is clinging little bit on the soil, that is good enough because it gets the moisture from the rock itself also. And a liquid feeding is required only if it is not getting too much soil, because see, bonsai is not grown in a very thick layer of soil. It is very minimum soil and thinness of the pot, as you must be seeing, very thin shallow pots are there, so it is growing. So it is not very difficult, but then initially one has to learn the technique of, like today they were exhibiting how to bend the branches, how to make it look like a bonsai, and that varies from person to person who is growing it. But the technique remains the same, like how to tie a wire around the branches, how to bend it slowly, not be very greedy to bend it in one go, then it will break, like those kind of things. So technical know-how. Soil requires, initially the soil requires certain kind of mixture, which is not very difficult because we are not trying like really professional way which Japanese people do and things like that. But here it is very easy, even if you take garden soil with little sand and all, it will definitely grow. Participation wise there were 15 people, but exhibition they brought about 89 species, the participants, and members exhibit were about 90. So, and since the hall is very small, we had to send back some of the species because it could not, and bonsai is not a plant which you can just club together and put. In fact, these are also very close. It should be exhibited at a span. We are getting a grant of 1.5 lakh rupees or 1 lakh rupees depending on what they give us. So we plan shows like this, and we workshop when we go, and sometimes we do tree plantation. So this is the only thing. If we get a little more fun, and then we give some certain publication, we print and we give free. My message will be, don't only attend the rock shows, please come and see such beautiful nature which is brought under one roof, and see the art of the members who are trying. They are not earning anything. Like I'm a businessman, if I can spend 3 days by stopping my business, I brought these spaces under one roof for people to come and see, admire, learn and grow them. I'm not doing any business, but my request is why people are not coming. We call media people, like today Shillong Times have printed a photo about yesterday's show, and that's how some of the people are coming. So they should come out and see the show. That is my request. And rest, once you come, definitely you would like to attend and grow some bonsai.